Hello everybody, going to do a quick review on this saw blade I picked up from Home Depot. This retails for $27.97 plus tax. This is put out by Ridgid and it's a 7-inch turbo rim saw blade. This is for dry and wet cutting of masonry or concrete products, which is precisely what I needed to cut. I was going to borrow my dad's tile saw and put a masonry blade on it. However, the saw wasn't quite large enough to do what I needed, so I bought one of these and I cut dry by simply installing it on my circular saw. And it is directional, so you need to make sure you put it on properly. And obviously this has been used, and what I can say about it is it works great. It stirs up a lot of dust, of course, if you're using it dry, but it works absolutely brilliantly. I cut about 7 16th inch long pieces that were 4 inches wide or thick out of a concrete cap block, and then cut one of those in half roughly, and cut probably about half a dozen or a little bit better of a clay brick, and it worked beautifully through those as well. It actually cuts those like butter. Just let the tool do the work and don't press it, and it worked just fine. I didn't have any problems with it at all, and it certainly worked for my purposes. They sell a couple of different varieties of these. This is the one that they call their turbo rim, and then they have one that is a continuous rim, which would be for like tile, and you would have less chip out on it. And then they have a segmented one that has slots every once in a while, which is a more aggressive blade. So I went with this one, and it seems to be reasonably fast cutting. I'm going to put a clip at the end of the video showing it in action. There won't be any dialogue in that clip because it's quite loud. But if you guys are needing to cut pavers, masonry products, this, that, and the other, I think it's a really good blade. And they sold one, I can't remember the brand, that was about half the cost. But just comparing the two side by side in the store and looking at the quality difference in between them, that's why I went with the Ridgid. And so far I have absolutely no complaints about it. So I hope this helps you guys out in some way. Thanks for watching, and good luck.